Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Annabelle, and I have my friend with me, Nancy. And she's my best friend since elementary. So today we're going to make a choco flan that she found on TikTok.
Why you exposing me like that?
And we have all of the ingredients. So if you're going to make this recipe, make sure you take notes right now.
Alright.
So tell them what we have.
Okay, so we got this Nestle La Lechera. This is what they call the Cajeta, right?
Yeah.
And then we got canola oil. Yeah, this is not gonna come out good. We got the sweet condensed milk, evaporated milk. And we got the devil's food. You can do any cake mix, right? But we just chose this one because why not? And then we got the eggs, and then we got the pan.
And then this.
And then this for, we're gonna put agua.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna put it
In the oven.
This goes right here, like this.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright,
So we're gonna show you step by step, so please keep watching.
So now we're gonna go ahead and open the cake mix and put it in here.
And so this, you just do it like a regular cake.
Yeah, you just follow the instructions on the cake box. Get every little bit in here. Alright, so we're gonna get our water and we're gonna get our vegetable oil and 3 eggs. With the water, like I said, you just follow the box. Follow the instructions. Alright, so once you followed the instructions to the box, now you're just gonna mix. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the cajeta.
Okay, so for this part, you're going to put the evaporated milk, the condensed milk, and you're going to put in 3 eggs in the blender.
That's a cute little blender.
One more. Oh crap, what happened to the thing? It fell in there. It's straight up. My bad.
I wouldn't even have noticed it.
Right?
Blend it for a minute.
Okay, so we're gonna blend this for a minute.
You want to try to get all of it. Let us know in the comments if you've done this before.
Alright, so now we're gonna put this in, and this is supposed to go to the bottom. So you're just gonna turn this. Okay. And then we're gonna stick it in the oven for 45 minutes at 350 degrees.
Alright, now we're just gonna put it in here.
So we didn't use this because the TikTok didn't use it, right?
No, they didn't use it, so we'll see how it turns out. Pray for us!
Alright, so we put it in for 45 minutes, so we'll let you know what it looks like after.
I'm excited. Are you excited?
I'm nervous.
I am too. I ain't gonna lie.
We flipped it. It came out beautiful.
And I don't know how to act. Where's my phone? Where's my phone?
We really thought it was gonna come out really bad because we didn't know how to flip it. Oh my gosh. So now you can decorate it with some of the Lechera, and then you can put...
Or you can put strawberries. I forgot my strawberries at home, but we're not talking about that. Alright, I'm not good at decorating.
Just like...
Go like this?
Yeah. Yeah. And then some people put, what did the lady put? Peanuts or walnuts, pecans, stuff like that.
But you can do whatever.
Whipped cream and stuff like that. So you can decorate it to your taste.
Dude, I'm so excited.
Alright guys, so that's the final product. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Nancy, for helping.
My pleasure.
We're gonna enjoy a little taste test now. So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And see you next time.
Bye.